Dear students, in yesterday video we learned summary of novel, main points of novel, keywords of novel and central theme of novel. Today we are going to learn question of in this novel. Question first, write a note on the character of Rosie or sketch the character of Raju in the novel of R.K. Narayan the guide, or there are two Rajus first, one who appears as a guide and lover, another one who is saint or a pseudo saint discuss, or which of Raju silent trait do you like the most and why? So this question is important. Sketch the character of Raju in the novel of R.K. Narayan the guide. So here you will see this question how to write in the exam. Raju is central character and properly known as Railways Raju. Also already we discussed Raju is protagonist of this novel and he is Railway Raju. After that tourist guide and spiritual guide. According to Paul Varghese, he is one of the most complex characters. We find in him the adventures of Maid in the vendor of sweets, the romantic exchange of Shriram in waiting for the Mahatma, and the mystical reading of the Chandra in the Bachelor of Arts and Srinivas in Mr. Sampal. So we see the nerves of the R.K. Narayan. But Raju is a different character in this novel, according to Paul Varghese. Raju has nothing heroic about him, rather he is an anti-hero. So here he wrote as an anti-hero. Anti-hero means against the hero's character. A typical figure, a common man with a touch of the uncommon. Think about, he also transformed from the one to another. He is just ordinary, certainly not so great as he is considered to be. He is one of those unformed, shapeless characters who easily take up the suggestion of others, so much so that it may rightly be said that his personality is the product of the people's convictions. So he is a simple man, and simply he helped to Rosie. That's why we can see in his nature simply a common man. He is extremely susceptible to the suggestion of the other, and this plasticity of the response determines his career and ultimate destiny. So his work as a tourist he suggests to other people. Raju was born in a lower middle class family, Malgudi. So like other common man, he also born in middle class family. He was a born romantic and a panorama of life enchanted him. Always he lived like a romantic. He took immense delight in the men and vehicles, boys and dogs, bullock cart readers, games and wandering. So think about like the general people or general students or boys. He also play the games like this. Romantic curiosity impelled him on know the unknown. However, he was not so good at study, and his father condemned him. Clay handed and his mother once called him as a unmitigated loafer, a boy who was good for nothing and who was sure to come to a bad end. The thing about he is not perfect in study, also he is not interested in study. That's why his mother called to him unmitigated loafer. Means he is a naughty boy in childhood. When the railways came to Malgudi, Raju the romantic was still, and it was a pleasure for him to store on the station watching the trains as they arrived and departed and they brought to Malgudi. So think about we are so interested to see the train. and he lived there the departure and arrival the train. Means like our he also interested in train. That's why he became tourist guide. A significant step in his life was taken when his father took a stall on the station and gradually left it to Raju to look after. Raju may not have been a good student, but he was certainly very observant and intelligent and could acquire much knowledge by glancing at the peers, magazines, periodicals, and old books which he stocked, as well as by talking with his customers. So his father opened the shop on railway station. That's why he worked to sell the newspaper magazine, and he became tourist guide. From a stall keeper, Raju gradually deeper into the playing the role of the tourist guide. His career was determined by his inability to say not to anybody as a tourist guide. He knew all the places where the exactly particular things could be obtained or was suited most at a particular moment. Whether clothes with a monster like a Marco, he was ready with the answer that would suit the occasion or the person. He had the whether divine instinct and self-confidence cooked with the delightful nature. So he has confidence. That's why he worked properly guide to not only Indian people but also foreign people. That's why he guide to also Marco. At the station, he came to be known as the Railway Raju, and he was sought out by the everyone who wanted advice and direction. His answer to their question bear no relation to conviction, but only to the feeling he senses in the questioner. As a guide, a projection of his audience, he was a great success. Tourists from other past insisted on his services, and whatever he did for them, he did with a certain detachment, not for any private gain, but simply because they asked him. Due to his nature is simply and romantic. That's why other people detach to him. This is the nature of him. As a as a lover, Raju would have remained a tourist guide, but for the arrival of the Marco and his fascinating but disconnected wife Roji. So, as a fascinator of his nature, he falls in love with Roji. At once, Raju, fascinated by her and wins her heart by his sympathy and considered as well as by his keen interest in the art. Simply, he owned the heart of Roji. William Wallace says, she and Raju are two of kind and they fall in love at once. Not there is anything headlong or tumultuous about their appearance which strike one as a being as much a crisis of nerves as of passion. Their relationship, both at the beginning and later, when she breaks off with Marco and comes to live with the Raju, appears to be much more one of the feeling, that sensuality, a temperamental rather than a passionate union. Sexual passion, in fact, is not a theme which Narayan anywhere develops very convincing in his work. He seems to think of it as something to private and only to be allowed to appear publicity in the art. The thing about after also detachment, but there is a love is sensual, or love is attachment. That is the means their love. Another point of this question, lack of passion. So he doesn't proper patience. In any case, the comparative unimportance of passion between Raju and Roji looked surprising only at the beginning of the affair. But soon after they begin to live together, this they do in spite of the opposition of Raju's formidable but sympathetic mother. Their relation takes on the different character. Roji has great talent as a dancer and with Raju supports she applies herself to develop her art. As she succeeds, Raju's status change. He is less lover and more the manager, trainer and agent. They enjoy immense success, but soon there is a kind of logic in the reverse. Out of the mandal system of motives, Raju forgets Roji's signature on a document claiming her your past. So he doesn't pass it. Means he don't want to Roji about the suggestion to take the money, and simply Raju forced Roji's signature on a document claiming her jewel box. So he doesn't have passion, which is in the her husband keeping at once. Marco all this time, a distant, faintly ominous patient takes his revenge. Raju is prosecuted his friends, overpaid his lover, is a sharp. The jail unsympathetic, he is sentenced to the year to the jail, and his place of the career is temporarily terminated. So because of his passions, means lack of his passions, he was caught by police and he has punishment in jail for 2 years. So next part of this question we will learn in next video. Thank you.